introduce our work fantastic. And remember first, Muhammad Zaki, second, the father Shaswat, the third, Muhammad Zaini, the fourth, Muhammad Shoki, and the last is going to home because we see our, I don't know what he okay. And myself, Muhammad I asked the chief of this club. Okay. The first, our brother Muhammad Zaki, he want to tell us about the question that set of dress. Okay. Please stand up.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi